Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we unlock the smartest ways to use AI. Today I'll walk you through on how to turn ChatGPT into your personal learning coach, no matter what skill you're trying to learn. Start by telling ChatGPT exactly what you want to learn and always try to be specific. Instead of saying I want to learn photography, say I want you to act as my photography teacher. Help me learn DSLR and how to shoot in manual mode in the next 4 weeks. Now the fun fact, practicing. If you're learning the language, do daily conversation, and you can also ask ChatGPT to quiz you on the language you're learning. You can use ChatGPT to stay on track. Ask it to check on your progress, review what you learned, and adjust the plan if needed. ChatGPT can also simulate real-world scenarios. Practicing for a job interview, ask it to roleplay as the job interviewer. With ChatGPT, the only limit is how curious you are. Try it out and let me know in the comment which skill you're going to learn next.